Cousins. In the summer of 21, as the pandemic daily sickened more victims, and changes in climate inflicted more harm through fires and violent deluge, our daughters tip-tapped an odd synchronized dance and gave birth to parallel babies. These were the months of Western despair at its ill-managed Afghan surrender, bringing photos of crowds begging refuge on planes and troops with machine guns on lorries. Yet we were absorbed by our newly born tots and lauded their infant advances. They had once been a pair of mystery curves suggested through the loosest of clothing, then monthly expanding to oversized domes, inside which wombs kept their features a secret, till they started their trip through the exit canals in a race to be greeted together. Their hearts took a bow at the very same time and decided their tick-tock in unison. Their mouths formed an O like two singers on stage in a duo of desperate crying, while their legs moved in rhyme with high-kicking heels, as their faces unfolded in patterns. They didn't appear to be cousins at first, with their lines and their colours in contrast. Yet their eyes were the same when they opened in light, just slits at the brightest of visions, then watchful and deep as day after day they took in their novel surroundings. The test does not come in these opening years when they're coached in what others have noticed, but once their new eyes have matured over time and they're beginning to ponder big questions, they'll study a scene with their quizzical minds and wonder if it's missing a theory. Their lives will be hard, with disasters in store, from the ice caps to great power contests, and our own dismal past will hinder their joy, since we revelled in long self-indulgence. But still they're our hope, our cousin-born twins, who'll help humanity's efforts. I hope they'll be friends. I hope they'll be safe. And I hope that the world won't worsen. But mostly I hope when they walk arm in arm and come to a wildflower meadow, they'll squint in one beat as if fresh from the womb at a sight with the power to dazzle.